Dutch Parliament much before England. Catalonia had the beginning of the United Nations. All the authorities of Catalonia in the 11th century met in the city of France, at that time Catalonia, to speak about peace. The 11th century. Peace in the world, and against war, the humanity of war. This was
Pero aquesta merda m'acaba amb la...